Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to archive and unarchive messages on Messenger app. So let's start. First, open the Messenger app. Now long press the conversation you want to archive and tap Archive. And the conversation will be archived and it will be removed from your Messenger feed. Now if you tap on your profile picture on top left corner, you will see there are no such options to unarchive messages. Now open a browser and go to facebook.com/home.php. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Now tap on the messenger icon on top right corner. Now tap on the expand icon beside the three dots. And the messenger will open on your browser window. Now tap on the settings icon on the chat section and select hidden chats. Now on the left hand side you will see all of your hidden chats and archive messages. Now to unarchive a conversation, select it and reply to the conversation. And now the conversation has been unarchived. And this conversation will now show up on your Messenger feed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.